Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Marissa, and today we're making oven-baked ribs. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a video, and make sure to follow my Instagram, link in the description. Now let's get started. The ingredients we will need are ribs, olive oil, barbecue sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, red cumin, cayenne pepper, ground mustard. Now let's put together our seasonings. Put your seasonings in a bowl or jar. Mix it all together. First, take off the membrane of the back of the bone side. Make sure to blot your ribs dry with a paper towel. Now let's season our ribs. Let's drizzle some olive oil on top of the seasoning. Now let's rub it all in. Turn your ribs over and repeat the process. Pan with foil. Place your ribs on the lined baking pan. Put in a 275-degree oven for about 3 hours. I don't want to forget to mention, cook your ribs meat side down and cover them loosely with foil before placing them in the oven. So we let our ribs bake in the oven for 3 hours. Now we are going to baste them with barbecue sauce. Place however much of barbecue sauce you want on your ribs, and then we will put it back in the oven. Put the barbecue on both sides. Put your ribs back in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes to 10 minutes. The ribs are done. They look and smell delicious. Let's try them out. Yum, it's delicious. I hope you love this recipe like my family did. But before we leave, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a video. Subscribe, follow my Instagram, link in the description. See you next week. Bye.